Guys, exactly. So I was mentioning in previous days ago, this falling wedge was letting the Bitcoin price continue to this specific price target. It was very close to meeting this technical price target around here. But if you count the body candle close, then it met the target. But if you wanted to trade the wick, then it didn't met that target there. Usually if I'm trading this, I end the trade before it ends up on this wick, just in case this happens. Exactly. Pump, almost met the target around here, and then pull back. And look at that, guys. It met exactly the price targets I was mentioning a couple of days ago. I said to you guys that, hey, these three pink lines were broken, like it was almost nothing. And I said, okay, after the Bitcoin price having this bearish divergence right there, which you can see higher highs in the Bitcoin price and lower highs in the RSI, then I said, okay, guys, in my opinion, I said that this has a very high chance of happening because of the Bitcoin price retesting this pink line. Why? Because it wasn't retested. You can see that it broke out without confirming and then continuing to the upside. And you can see that now it has been retested. Look at this. And boom, exactly at that price target. And I'm gonna show you a video stating what I was saying a couple of days ago right here, guys. Just blasted through all those three lines. This will serve as strong resistance, as you can see right there. Very strong resistance there, and the horizontal resistance, it's very strong resistance. And you can see that this hasn't been tested as support, so that's most likely the next price target around these levels, around this $40,400 level for this monthly pivot points for the Bitcoin price. Because usually when you see these lines, especially when you have that strong resistance, usually you will see a break out of those resistances, a confirmation, and sometime consolidating in order to create that momentum and to also retest these three lines and then go higher if it's going to hold that support or go lower. But usually the key detail is that it will most likely retest these three lines over here, okay? Especially when you have that strong resistance, as I mentioned again. And you can see right here, guys, that most likely the Bitcoin price is this is my opinion, okay? This is not a guarantee, this is not a, but the most likely scenario is that this, at least this first line, has to get retested around this $40,459 level at least before continuing to the upside. So yeah, guys, welcome to Crypto Solutions, here to help you make the best decisions in cryptocurrency and in cryptocurrency technical analysis. Today's Bitcoin technical analysis YouTube video. We are going to be starting out here in the 4-hour time frame for the Bitcoin price right here. So the Bitcoin price was following this falling wedge pattern right here in the 4-hour time frame, broke out. It was consolidating around here, went above here, almost met the exact target, but then got rejected there and came back to these three pink lines. That's why I say, guys, these three pink lines are very important. That's why, especially if they're not being retested, like you have to be vigilant of that. So right here you can see that the Bitcoin price has retested this one pink line right here, which is the monthly pivot points, which are very important on each month when it happens. So I'm gonna delete this falling wedge. If you count this, if you count the gains from here, if you traded this until here, then that would be around a 5.5%. That's very good. And anyways, and right now you can see that the Bitcoin price is retesting this levels right here. So I'm going into the daily time frame so you can see what I mean right here. So, and at the same time, the Bitcoin price is also got rejected there in that yellow line. This yellow line is very important because here it has a lot of resistance here. I'm gonna show it to you guys here. Resistance, support here, clear support, very strong support. This dumpage candle on December 4th, 2021, and then broke out, resistance got rejected and continued to the downside. Retested again that line, got rejected, retested that, and then got rejected again. My gosh. So that's why that line is very important, and that also is the line in which this big head and shoulders is still on play if you're trading this. In my opinion, that this head and shoulders is most likely it's not going to complete the technical price target, which is all the way down on here. Is around this $15,000 price range, like right here. My opinion, that's not going to happen. Most likely, that's my opinion. Okay, so right here you can see that the Bitcoin price was forming this inverse head and shoulders pattern right there. It still can be considered a inverse head and shoulders if the Bitcoin price can recover and break above this line with clear volume, confirm this as support, and then continue going higher. And the price target for that inverse head and shoulders will be all the way up around that $56,000 price range for the Bitcoin price. The resistance will be all the way up around this $45,420 level right there. And so that would be the measurement target, right? Also, you can support my YouTube channel by clicking the Patreon link in the description below, where you can get an elite VIP crypto investor membership, where you get an immediate short-term buying opportunities, immediate short-term selling opportunities for Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Cardano, Chainlink, and cryptocurrencies of your choice. Also, you get technical analysis updates for Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Cardano, Chainlink, and potential cryptocurrencies of your choice 5 days a week. Complete overview of the cryptocurrency market 2 times per week. Start of the week and end of the week. Elite VIP crypto investor Discord group chat. Live updates where I tell you my buying targets and my selling targets immediately when I do them in the exact moment. And you get to see when I buy and when I sell cryptocurrencies in live time. Live weekly long-term cryptocurrency price updates, which is the podcast where I complete an overview of the cryptocurrency markets. And also I will tell you with a high certainty the Bitcoin tops and Bitcoin bottoms with certainty during Bitcoin cycles and in the long term. So if you are interested in regards of having a person who can lead you to the correct cryptocurrency path with a high certainty, then you can click in the Patreon link in the description below, where you can get a 10% discount when starting out this month. And at the same time, you get access to my complete overview of the cryptocurrency market. And also I can teach you how to navigate with this market so you can have an edge at the cryptocurrency market as time passes. And at the same time, you get to learn how to look at the cryptocurrency market with a professional overview there. So right here, we can see that what is the Bitcoin price going to do right now. So first, guys, this is a double top scenario. You see here and here, that's a double top scenario. So, and that's a bearish pattern. So that would be the new trading opportunity, but it has already kind of started to play out. So it may be kind of dangerous to try to trade that right now, but this is not financial advice. But this will be the neckline, and this would be the double top scenario right there. Clear rejection on that head and shoulders neckline on the big time frame, and the price and the measurement price target for this bearish double top pattern will be all the way down to around this range. Let's see, it has beautiful confluence with this price level, which is a Fibonacci retracement. Wait, is it? Yes, this is a Fibonacci retracement. So this will be the price target. Has confluence right there. That will be the price target around this $37,262 level. That will be the measurement target for that double top scenario. And right here in the daily time frame, you can see that it's below the neckline. Strongest support will be these 3 pink lines right here, which are the monthly pivot points. It will not surprise me if this comes all the way down here. Like personally, if you're asking if it's going to retest these three lines, it can do it. But personally, it can do one of two. It can retest these both pink lines, right? These two pink lines, maybe not this one. Personally, I think that the Bitcoin price can, yeah, most likely these three lines are gonna get retested, most likely. So yeah, that's what I'm seeing right now in the Bitcoin price in the daily time frame and using the simple moving averages. So you see right here, this is not good because you can see that the Bitcoin price was starting to get very bullish on this simple moving averages in the daily time frame, and you can see right here that this light blue line is a 21 simple moving average in the daily time frame, and you can see that the Bitcoin price is below that line, which is not a good sign right now. There's 2 hours left for this body candle close in the daily time frame. So if the Bitcoin price can remain above this $41,180 level, that would be good in the short term. That will indicate a kind of strong push for the bulls, for the Bitcoin price right there. And also from what I saw also at the same time, I didn't tell you guys this, but I was seeing this CME charts right here, and this is the CME chart on the Bitcoin price. This is a different chart. This is the Chicago Merchandise Exchange. So you can see that there was a gap over here. Usually when you see these gaps, usually the Bitcoin price fills them. That's almost guaranteed to happen almost every single time. And you can see that this space right here, you see this space right here, because this chart only is active around from Sunday at 6:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time to Friday 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And so in weekends, the Bitcoin price can leave this spaces around here in the CME gaps, and doesn't happen every time, but it can happen. But you can see right here that it has been filled right now, so that's a good thing. That usually indicates when the Bitcoin price is in a bullish stance, that most likely that will be the bottom and then continue. It's not guaranteed, but usually it's a very very decent indication to follow, to follow. So right here, it has already been met, and also has that confluence with this 3 pink lines right here. Also got retested, beautiful. And the super moving averages, that would be it right there. And let's see right here, it's been some time right here, this Williams alligator indicator. So still it's in a bullish stance, which is a good thing right there. That's good. I'm going to delete these CPR pivot points right there because I already have them drawn right now. So I'm gonna just put this MACD really quick so I can see in the daily time frame right here. So it's still in the bullish territory, but this is quickly heading to the downside very quickly. So yeah guys, that's what I'm seeing right now in the Bitcoin price right here. So that will be it for this video most likely, but before that I want to show you something in the S&P 500 really quick. I'm gonna go here in the S&P 500. See right here, I have the other charts over there. Let's see, I'm going to use this chart over here, this S&P 500 chart on this one. There you go, this. So you can see that it's a lot of things right here, but first, ignoring this part, this section just for a second, bearish MACD in the daily time frame from this S&P 500. It's not a good thing. Usually pullbacks, you can see right there, pullback, and here negative here, pullback for the moment. Okay, I'm not going to go back to a lot of different time periods, but right That's one of the big things I'm seeing right now. And also, guys, this S&P 500, you can see that I pull a Fibonacci retracement from this swing high to this swing low, and boom, you can see that it came back exactly at that 0.618 Fibonacci retracement around that $4,592 level. Okay, $4,592 level, got perfectly rejected, came back here, got again rejected, and formed this double bottom scenario. Double bottom scenario, no, that double top scenario, which is not, that's another bearish thing. Right there, you have the MACD starting to be negative in the daily time frame. Let's see, bearish divergences, no. And at the same time, you're seeing this double top scenario. I'm gonna show you real quick right here. This will be the neckline there, and the bearish price technical price target for this double top scenario for the S&P 500 will be all the way down around this $4,310 level right there for the S&P 500 right there. You can see that S&P 500 made this double top, retested this, tried to invalidate that double top scenario, but then got rejected again, and now it's on its way to this price target, to this $4,310 level. And why am I covering this S&P 500? Because most of the times the Bitcoin price follows the S&P 500. So you can see right here, bearish price movement. You're seeing right here in today's candle and 1.81% pullback, and right here in the Bitcoin price here you can see almost an 8% pullback. Usually it's not that dramatic. If the S&P 500 has a 2% pullback, the Bitcoin price can reach a 4%, maybe 3%. But not every out of 2% pullback in the S&P 500. That doesn't mean that Bitcoin price is gonna pull in another 8%. That's usually doesn't happen. But you can see that this trading opportunity from here, from the neckline to here, that would be around a 3%. 303. That's those Jesuits. So yeah, that 3% pullback, and that will be this trading opportunity, and that will continue to put pressure in the Bitcoin price right here. So if the S&P 500 completes this trading opportunity, then the Bitcoin price will most likely head lower to retest at least this $39,110 level. That will also have the confluence, which I have been saying before. And let's see right here. So yeah, that would be what I would be seeing here in the Bitcoin price right here in the S&P 500. I'm gonna put again this Bitcoin price right there. And so that's what I'm seeing right now in the Bitcoin price, guys. For the moment, the most likely scenario is for this Bitcoin price to continue going lower. Let's see I want to put it really quickly the moon phases indicator. Just a second, just because it is now starting to be in a bullish stance, which usually that's a good thing for the Bitcoin price. I'm gonna just verify that very quickly right here using the moon phases, and still you can see bearish side, like this works. This yellow side, bullish energy, this dark blue, negative energy. Boom, continues to the upside, and then pullback. You're seeing it right there. Usually the bullish energy lasts around 14 days, that's 2 weeks, and usually the negative energy, which is the dark blue, lasts around 14 days, which is 2 weeks. Usually, most of the times. Right now it's been 15 days. I'm going to the 4-hour time frame to see if it's starting to, it's starting to be, the bullish energy has started in the 4-hour time frame, but just because it starts doesn't mean it can't keep pulling back before having that relief rally and continue to the upside. So be aware of that. So right now, in summary, remember from what I'm seeing in the daily time frame, the Bitcoin price still The Bitcoin price has already break. I'm gonna just delete this moon phases indicator just real quick right here. This falling wedge pattern has been already broken in a bullish manner. It's now retesting these levels right there, which will be this territory right there, which is fine. And then like this, start going like this. This will be a healthy continuation to the upside like this. So yeah guys, that's what I'm seeing right now in the Bitcoin price. In the medium short term, expect for the Bitcoin price to keep going lower. And so the support levels will be one of the last support levels will be around this $39,200 level. This Fibonacci retracement, which is the 0.786 Fibonacci retracement, which is around here. This 37,300 and this $37,284 level has perfect confluence with this bearish technical price target for this double top scenario right there. And so that would be a move from the neckline to here. That would be a 10% move. So yeah guys, that's what I'm seeing right now in the Bitcoin price for the moment, guys. And yeah guys, if you enjoyed this YouTube video, guys, I would really appreciate if you can leave a like, comment, and share this YouTube video with your friends. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel, Cryptocurrencies, if you haven't subscribed yet, guys. And also click the bell notifications to stay ahead in the cryptocurrency market using my my cryptocurrency technical analysis YouTube videos. And also guys, you can support my YouTube channel by clicking the Patreon link in the description below, where you can get an elite VIP crypto investor membership, where you get an immediate short-term buying opportunities, immediate short-term selling opportunities for Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Cardano, Chainlink, and cryptocurrencies of your choice. Also, you get technical analysis updates for Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Cardano, Chainlink, and potential cryptocurrencies of your choice 5 days a week. Complete overview of the cryptocurrency market 2 times per week. Start of the week and end of the week. Elite VIP Crypto Investor Discord group chat. Live updates where I tell you my buying targets and my selling targets immediately when I do them in the exact moment. And you get to see when I buy and when I sell cryptocurrencies in live time. Live weekly long-term cryptocurrency price updates, which is and podcast where I complete an overview of the cryptocurrency markets. And also I will tell you with a high certainty the Bitcoin tops and Bitcoin bottoms with certainty during Bitcoin cycles and in the long term. So if you are interested in regards of having a person who can lead you to the correct cryptocurrency path with a high certainty, then you can click in the Patreon link in the description below, where you can get a 10% discount when starting out this month. And at the same time, you get access to my complete overview of the cryptocurrency market. And also I can teach you how to navigate with this market so you can have an edge at the cryptocurrency market as time passes. And at the same time, you get to learn how to look at the cryptocurrency market with a professional overview. Thank you so much for watching this YouTube video, guys. Have a nice day, guys. Take care, guys, and peace out, guys.